Hello good people, back again with another painting videos. In this video, we were gonna make some art that inspired by harnessing growth for sustainable living. So this artwork will be representing about that theme. So what it will be, just keep watching these videos and don't forget to subscribe and give likes and leave some comments. So let's get started. Starting with blue color background. Blue color. If we talk about blue color, it will be representing about something calm like sea, sky, water, and I use that for representing about growth. We are gonna complete some surreal landscape where vibrant organics intertwine with elements like wooden texture, creating a harmonious and evolving scene. Use bold, expressive brushstroke to convey the dynamism of growth and opportunity, infusing the canvas with the essence of your favorite scene. The flower is also meaning of growth. You can still grow even if it's unnecessary, like the flower who growed in a wood. You still have your body, your mind, and energy. Don't worry, you can still grow even if it's unnecessary. Adding more organics element to convey the dynamism of growth and opportunity. Don't forget to add some details to your painting to make it more valuable. We are almost there. Our painting gonna be end. Painting is already for sale. You can see my artwork on my website to purchase it, and we are shipping for worldwide. So if you're interested, send me a Gmail and see you on my next videos.